Hey guys, Ruby Ryan, JKU here. I bought a set of aluminum grab handles for my JK. Got them off of Amazon for, it was like 62 bucks, and I figured I'd try to see what we get and if they're any good or not. But they came in today, and I opened up the box. I'm actually really impressed. I'll give you a look here, and then I'm going to do a little install video on them. So here are my $60 Amazon grab handles, and I was thinking something cheap, you know. Here, these things are actually really nice. They're nice. They're aluminum, you know, aluminum, but I'm guessing cast aluminum, but they feel really nice. They got a nice solid powder coat on them. I'm actually pretty impressed here. It's got the front set in here, all your hardware, which has the same that same powder coat on it, so it matches and looks nice. And then underneath it here, it's got the rear set as well. So I'm pretty excited. I'm gonna get these things put in here and show you as I go. Okay, so this install is super easy. In the rear, if you look, I'm looking at my sound bar here. There's two, one there and one right here, 10mm bolts. I know it's hard to see with the light, but two 10mm bolts. You undo those, and then the handle installs in the same spots. For the rear, it uses these two Allen head bolts, and these are not side specific. Back here you can use either one on either side. So I have loosely bolted the rear handle up there with the Allen head bolts. Now I'm just going to run them up tight, and I'll tighten them down with the ratchet. And that's it. I mean, this is a super simple installation. So the front is real similar to the rear. You've got a 10mm up here, so you can see that's up in the front corner. And then there's another one. It's hard to see, but it's inside this top hole. If you look across, all the way across from the other side, in that top hole, you can kind of see it. But you got to take those. They're both 10mm. So we're going to pull those out, and then we'll start installing the handle. So these handles are side specific. So it shows you right in the directions which side goes where. And what we do is we're going to start out in the short. We have a short and a long, I don't know what they call bushing or whatever here. The short one goes on the side one here. The front goes on top. So we're going to start, and you put the bolt through the hole like so. And then this slides down on there. And this one will bolt up into the upper hole up here. And this is kind of hard to show, so I'm going to get them bolted in, and then I'll show you once they're up there. Okay, so I've ran into one little issue here when I was putting this up. I tried the top one first, and you can't do it that way. You have to do the bottom one first, or it's a nightmare to get in. And the bottom one's on this weird little kind of a angled up like this, going away from you. It's kind of not straight in and not straight sideways. Like both axes of it are kind of towards you a little bit, so it helps to kind of feed the bolt in there first by itself to see the angle of it. I'll show you a picture here of what it looks like, and then you can go ahead and do the top one. So now the front one is installed. That worked a lot better doing the bottom one first, but check that bolt angle. It threw me for a loop a couple times. Once I got it, it was real easy. And then this one here, you get them both started and then tighten them both down, and after that it's easy. It's a real easy install, and these things, man, they look nice in here.